that is Nandan Kumar, as the new president was announced in the General Assembly which was held in Brazil. General So hello students, welcome back to Paathshala classes. This is Shashwat Dubey, one of the faculty members of Paathshala classes, and today we are going to discuss who is this new appointed person. As you can clearly see from the picture, and if you can identify the face of this particular personality, this personality has been appointed as the new president of IMSA. Stay connected throughout the lecture for in order to get this current affair in your knowledge as to who is this particular new president of IMSA. What does IMSA stands for? Apart from this, who is this particular personality who is now being headed as a president of IMSA? Mr. Nandan Kumar Jha is going to be the new president of International Mind Sports Association, which is often abbreviated and used in the form of IMSA. India's Nandan Kumar Jha has been appointed as the new president of the International Mind Sports Association. It is an organization which is dedicated to the governance and promotion of mind sports globally. This significant announcement was made during the IMSA's annual General Assembly, which was held in Sao Paulo, Brazil. ये announcement for the election of a new president, that is Nandan Kumar as the new president, was announced in the General Assembly which was held in Brazil. General Assembly के दौरान इनको elect किया गया और announcement की गई थी ये बात की कि he is going to serve as the new president thereon. With a mission to integrate mind sports like chess, sports and bridge into the mainstream sports community, Jha's appointment marks a historic moment for India's growing influence internationally and in intellectual games. The key insights of Jha's appointment: after Nandan Kumar Jha has taken over as the president of IMSA, what are the key points that we can look into in detail? Right? क्या उनका impact होने वाला है, क्या significance है globally, nationally? So one by one we are going to discuss. The very first point, election details. Nandan Kumar Jha was chosen during IMSA's annual General Assembly, as already stated, which was held in Brazil. With his nomination being proposed by the World Draughts Federation. Please take a note. His appointment comes after the recommendation given by the World Draughts Federation, who laid down the recommendation and the suggestion for appointing him as the new president to serve for IMSA. IMSA's role and reach. As far as the role and the activities concerning IMSA is concerned, we are going to see as to what is the composition, what are the other performing roles that this particular organization performs. IMSA covers over 200 member countries and it works closely with the International Olympics Committee, that is IOC, and every other global sports federation that are active in order to promote mind sports. Sports represented in this particular organization, that is IMSA. क्या क्या sports है जो IMSA recognize और promote करता है? The organization oversees a total number of 9 mind sports, including chess, draughts, sports, poker, go, and bridge. Lastly, the impact and future outlook after the appointment of an Indian citizen which is going to serve as the president for IMSA. And now, after his appointment, what is going to be the more significant impact over India as well as at a global level? The very first point to be taken a note of is that Jha's appointment is seen as a critical step in enhancing the global presence of mind sports. Mind sports का promotion, along with that, an Indian serving globally shows India's dedication as well as India's position at an international level, which is one of the reputed one. Apart from this, IMS's CEO Geoffrey Bogg has highlighted explicitly that Jha's ability to lead impactful initiatives, emphasizing the importance of making these sports more accessible and widespread, have been the reasons behind his appointment as the president of IMSA. After getting elected as the president of IMSA, what are the things that we are going to witness? ये तो इनका टेन्योर ही बताएगा कि क्या क्या ये माइंडफुल ऐड करने वाले हैं. As a Indian citizen who is representing IMSA, it is a matter of honor for us as Indian citizens. Along with that, we can expect many such recognition of mind games and participation of every other games, inclusion of every other mind games in this particular organization. So there are huge expectations from this particular person and organization altogether. Let's see what happens next. So that's all for today. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel for regular updates for such kind of current affairs which is relevant and significant for your AILET and CLAT preparation 2024. Along with that, you can also subscribe to the Telegram channel for regular updates with regard to the study materials which is being provided free of cost and is also accessible in the Telegram channel of Paathshala classes. Thank you so much for connecting with us.